Do you need protection against falling leaves, debris, birds, or other animals from entering your house without blocking fresh airflow? Or are you trying to protect your plants against chickens, dogs, or rabbits that are running around your backyard? Well, then you require the help of a wire fence. Separating, screening, shaping, and shielding are some of the primary functions of wire fences. The agricultural, industrial, transportation, and mining industries also benefit from the use of it. When you need security barriers where visibility through the fence is necessary or desirable, this wire fence is your best option. Not all wire fence materials of this type on the market are the same, so the purpose of this video is to give you the best options for wire fences to choose from. So let's get started with our list. Our first pick is the Tooca 46-inch by 50-foot half-inch wire mesh fence. It's hot-dipped galvanized welded wire fencing with a hardware cloth and chicken fence. One of the best features of this wired fence mesh is it provides security, aesthetics with unobstructed visibility, and also provides a cost-effective fencing solution. The Tooca wire fence is double-coated for rust resistance, ensuring your wire fence will survive a lot longer. The Tooca wire fence is made of hot-dipped galvanized welded wire that's extremely durable and corrosion resistant. The strong, durable wire meshes are also suitable for a variety of commercial and residential perimeter security usage as well. This wire fence is also incredibly sturdy and will endure predator attacks to protect your animals or plants from attackers. This can also help keep your dogs from digging up your newly planted flowers. All you have to do is lay them over your flower sprouts and nail the fencing between wooden poles and cover it with leaf litter to avoid an eyesore. This wired fence comes in the size of 46 inches in height by 50 inches long, and it's enough to cover a vegetable garden in your backyard. The hardware cloth chicken fencing wire mesh keeps rattlesnakes from invading your property. Furthermore, this wire fence mesh is lightweight and easy to assemble. It takes less time for the installation process. You can also do it yourself by looking up various ways to install the wire fence mesh on the internet. At number 2 is the Expert Gardener galvanized steel chicken wire, 24-inch by 50-foot roll fence. It's made of steel wire material that's been woven together and creates hexagon patterns in the spaces between the wires. Hex-shaped openings are formed by twisting strong-strength wire. It's less expensive than other types of wire fences since it's thinner and easier to manufacture. For enhanced strength, longevity, and corrosion resistance, this Expert Gardener woven wire is galvanized before weaving. This galvanized steel poultry netting is a cost-effective option that's easy to set up and modify to match your specific requirements. Each roll of the steel poultry netting measures 24 inches in height by 50 inches in length. It's suitable for a variety of uses, including chicken and animal enclosures, lawn and garden fencing, crop protection, erosion prevention, and craft projects. It also has a flexible design that allows it to be used for a variety of applications and customized to match your needs. To complete your project, you can use U-post or T-post and galvanized staples, which are sold separately. Cutting the mesh is not an issue. With one light snip, a pair of wire cutters or wire strippers to cut through. To cut through into proportions or finish your creation, you don't need a lot of strength. It can be folded or wrapped around poles to create whatever shape is desired. This galvanized chicken wire weighs 8 pounds only, making it lightweight and durable. You can never go wrong by choosing this product. So there you have our first 2 items. Remember to hit the like and subscribe icon so you'll be notified when we have upcoming product reviews. You can also leave a comment below if you have a product in mind you'd like to see us feature in an upcoming video. And now let's move on with our next item. At number 3 is the Expert Gardener Gray Galvanized Steel Hardware Cloth, 5 feet long by 24 inches high. The galvanized steel hardware cloth can be used in a variety of ways around the farm, house, and garden. It features a multi-purpose fence, rodent control, and rodent prevention functions. This product is produced from imported galvanized steel hardware cloth, and it's also lightweight and corrosion resistant. The 1.5-pound steel hardware cloth comprises a 24-inch by 5-foot roll of galvanized wired steel with 24-inch square mesh weave that's both lightweight and resistant. Animal containment, temporary fencing, house repairs, gutter guards, and craft projects are just a few of the uses for this product. It offers excellent plant protection and support as well as erosion control and compost storage. Fencing made of rolled wire is simple to build and modify to match your needs. Expert gardener galvanized steel hardware cloth can help you finish projects around the farm, house, or garden. This hardware cloth is simple to use and install in any area. It can be bent and shaped into whatever you like. To protect your hands, you should always wear gloves and have a pair of kitchen shears or other craft wire cutters on hand. It's also very easy to use and control. You can even use some to keep the leaves and squirrels out of your gutters. This hardware cloth can be used for a variety of crafts if you think outside the box. The options are endless. At number 4 is the Yard Guard 2-inch by 4-inch mesh. This wired fence is ideal for gardening and utility fencing. It has rectangular openings. For extended life and multi-seasonal use, the galvanized welded steel wire is coated with Class 1 galvanized zinc. The welded wire comes on a roll so you can cut to size to match your needs. This is a wire fence roll that measures 48 inches by 50 feet and 2 inches by 4 inches in the openings. The welded wire fence is zinc coated and hot dip galvanized for extra strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. The fencing is designed to give strength and stability. U-post and T-post along with wood posts can all be utilized with the wire fence. The Yard Guard brand offers good perimeters and fencing for the needs of agricultural and urban house owners. Midwest Air Technologies Incorporated manufactures and markets Yard Guard. Property dividers, vegetable and flower garden enclosures, and a beautiful back for post and rail fence are just a few of the many uses for this versatile material in the home and garden. The Yard Guard galvanized welded wire fence is practically maintenance-free and provides a versatile, lightweight, and cost-effective ornamental fencing solution. When compared to other fences that cost at least $100 or more, this one appears to be similar at a fraction of the cost. You can simply use heavy-strength zip ties to secure it to the poles, and it's quite simple to set up. A quick Google search can direct you to this little DIY instructional page. At number 5 is the Tooca 36-inch by 50-foot garden fence, and it has a green vinyl coated metal. The 16-gauge multi-purpose hardwire cloth for vegetable gardens, flower beds, chicken runs, and rabbit fences. This wire mesh is perfect for protecting your yard or creating artificial landscaping. The hardware cloth is made of 100% iron, and Tooca dark green wire mesh is heavy duty. It has maximum durability, corrosion resistance, and is sturdy. Wire is welded prior to galvanizing, and the galvanized wire is then vinyl coated to protect it from the elements and extend its life. The Tooca dark green wire mesh installation is quick and simple. Steel wire weaves conform to the appropriate shape, and it's easier to keep down. U-post, T-post, and wood post can all be used. The dimensions per roll are 36 inches in height by 50 feet long, with a 2-inch by 3-inch openings. Rolls are easy storage and transport. The Tooca dark green wire mesh blends better with your scenery than black and metal hardware cloth as defense for your yard, flowers, and plants. You can make an enclosed protective cage for your animals, and you can use the flexible metal cloth for rabbit houses, chicken coops, duck pens, vegetable gardens, and to keep raccoons and other animals out. It's also great for patio walks, lawns, and other outdoor projects. This Tooca garden fence is efficient and easy to install. You can tailor the garden fencing with pliers. And there you have it, our top picks for the best wire fences on the market. We hope you found something useful in this video to help you make an informed buying decision. If you want more information on the products listed, check out the description below. If there's a product you have in mind you want to see us review in the future, let us know down in the comments section. And before we go, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload a new review. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.